Now, the People's Democratic Party has condemned a recent judgment by the Federal High Court in Abuja, which extended the tenure of the current officials of the Area Council in the Federal Capital Territory by 1 year. The Federal Capital Territory Administration announced the suspension of the inauguration of newly elected officials in a statement today, citing the court order as a reason for the decision. The National Publicity Secretary of the PDP, Debo Olugunagba, reacted to the development, stating that the judgment was illegal.
The intent of this judgment by Honorable Justice Ibrahim Mohammed is to make the law retroactive, to illegally favor the outgoing chairman and councillors who were sworn in for a 3-year tenure under the 2010 Electoral Act, which tenure by the provision of that act ends on May 20, 2022. It is instructive to say that the Electoral Act 2022 has a commencement date of February 25, 2022. It is tried in law that laws become effective from their commencement date and cannot be retroactive in effect, as being attempted by Honorable Justice Ibrahim Mohammed. Alarmingly, the intent of this judgment by Honorable Justice Ibrahim Mohammed
Olugunagba accused the APC of conniving with some members of the judiciary to truncate democracy.
The court gave judgment in this case with a set of individuals as claimants and the Minister of FCT as the sole defendant, leaving out other necessary parties, including the PDP, whose candidate won the majority of seats in the February 12, 2022 elections, the National Assembly that enacted the law, the Attorney General of the Federation, who has the responsibility of executing the law, and of course the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, which conducted the elections. The PDP is persuaded to believe that the judgment is a deliberate attempt to subvert the democratic process without regard to the consequential crisis and restiveness such portend in the FCT.